Mike, can you just get a battery that tape? Whoa, Maddie.
Nice job, Kinsey.
Kinsey.
Here we come. I got you.
World's fastest sledder. Here she comes.
Oh, boy. Watch out, Kinsey.
Whoa! That's me!
All right. Here comes Haas and Ryan.
The second most fastest
Watch
sled
out.
ever!
You better get out of the way. Stand over here.
1, 2, 3, here comes Uncle and Jose! Woo!
I'm going to go and tell Auntie to come watch
She's
it,
right
huh?
there.
Yeah, go now.
Mom, she's sitting right there. She can see.
What?
She's sitting right there.
Stand there.
What?